Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're scratching your head over the LF error on your Whirlpool washer, don't worry, we've got you covered. This is episode 236, where we'll break down the meaning, causes, and solutions for this common issue in 2025. Let's dive right in. First off, what does the LF error actually mean? It stands for long fill or low flow, which basically tells you that your washer is taking too long to fill with water or isn't getting enough flow. This can halt your laundry routine and leave you frustrated, but the good news is, it's often an easy fix. Now, let's talk about the causes. The most common reasons include a kinked or clogged water inlet hose, which restricts water flow. Another culprit could be a dirty or blocked filter screen in the water valve. Sometimes, it's due to low water pressure in your home, perhaps from a faulty supply line or even issues with the washer's pressure switch. In rarer cases, it might point to a malfunctioning water inlet valve or a problem with the control board. Alright, time for the solutions. Let's get hands-on. Start by unplugging your washer and turning off the water supply for safety. First, check the hoses. Straighten any kinks and ensure they're not blocked. Next, inspect and clean the filter screen on the water inlet valve. It's usually located at the back of the machine. If your home's water pressure seems low, test it with another appliance and contact your utility provider if needed. If that doesn't work, you might need to replace the water inlet valve. This is a bit more involved, so follow your washer's manual or watch our detailed tutorial video linked below. Remember, always wear protective gloves and double-check connections to avoid leaks. In 2025, Whirlpool has updated some models with smarter diagnostics, so if you're dealing with a newer unit, try running a diagnostic cycle through the app if available. Once you've fixed it, run a test cycle to ensure everything's smooth. There you have it. Simple steps to banish that LF error and get your washer spinning again. If you're still stuck, don't hesitate to call a professional technician. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more home appliance tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.